Na 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 na. Da, 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 da. Oh wow, okay, yeah, just don't put your face in the camera. Na 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 na. Ding dong na na na. Da na 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 na. Da na 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 na. Na 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 na. Okay, yeah, you know the theme, people. But anyway, here's another Jurassic Cat video. He's not really Jurassic, if I'm really thinking right now. I mean, he's just a dumb cat. I mean, he is. He doesn't know where he's at right now. I don't know where he's at right now. Anyway, here's another. Like, just to let you know, Ruben is still alive, you know. Because, you know, he's a dumb cat. He's like the dumbest cat you can get. He is, though. He's like so dumb. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all in the next one. So, you know, stay cool. Ah! Don't do that, no.